Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another Falcon Game 27 Music. So today I got a new box, an email. Thank you, Aunt, for giving this to me. Universal Yums. If you don't know about Universal Yums, it is a 12-month subscription where it sends you boxes. You can get multiple, but I ended up getting the 12-month one. They send you boxes of snacks and foods from across the world. So today I'm going to be unboxing this. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so I'm going to open this up. It's a pretty fancy box. So look, here's what it looks like from the top. Alright. Oh, someone fell out. Alright, welcome to Spain. Got the Spain one. This is all the way from Spain. Alright, so yeah, welcome to Spain. It's got a bit more. And then it's got like some stickers. What is that? Try everything or else wear this. It's like too picky. Alright, so we're gonna get straight into it. Let's start off with this. This is catching my eye. Sorry to all you, if anybody's like Spanish here or from Spain. I might be pronouncing these wrong, so yeah. La Casitos Gold. Alright. Yeah. See if I can. Okay, look it. Alright, that's what it looks like. Pop it in the good old mouth. That is right here. I think it said it's a white chocolate candy with caramel flavor. I think it's like a white chocolate caramel mix. Pretty good. I'll rate that 8.5 out of 10. See you on the next one. See you on the next snack. Alright, I'm back. I had to wash it down a bit, so let's get the next snack. This next snack, I'm just gonna grab the one off the top. El Gorraga. It's like a lemon flavored. Yeah, it's like a lemon flavored, like little, like kind of looks like an Oreo, like right there. So far, this is the only one that's been rated. So technically, it's in first. I know you can't see like the thing over here, but I haven't looked at it. Oh, these things are giant. I'm only gonna eat half for the sake of this video. I'm gonna be eating a lot. So it definitely has a lemony flavor, like the lemon cream in the middle. Really lemony. This like, I'm from America. Before I say this, I'm from America, not Britain. This biscuit is pretty good. Gotta go with the lemon. I'm gonna rate it 8.7 out of 10. So this will be in first. Alright, so with the last snack, the lemon like cookies, they are currently in first. So let's get the next one. I'm gonna save the big one for last. I'm gonna save the big one for second last. So we got Crema Caramellas sausage. These are like caramel candy. Caramel, however you say it. I say caramel. My family says caramel. I've always said caramel. I know a lot of people argue with me. Yeah, this is like this looks like the caramel candies that like old grannies eat. If you have an old granny that eats these or has ever eaten one of these, like and subscribe. I know I have one. Yeah. Oh, rock hard. Oh my gosh. They're really good. Wow. And for all of you gluten-free people out there, it is in fact gluten-free, so. Oh my gosh. This is delicious. I might have to rate this about, honestly, 9.5 out of 10. So it's in first right now. Alright, so for the next snack we have this one. This is the biggest one and it caught my eye, but so I eat these like almost every morning. I love fried eggs, but these are fried egg flavored potato chips. These are potato chips that are supposedly supposed to taste like fried cheese, and again, they are gluten-free. So, if you go to Spain and you're gluten-free, you better get these if they're good. I would recommend these. No? Alright, I'm gonna give it a big whiff. I have not done the whiff test, but it's because I can barely smell. Yeah, I cannot smell anything. Not sure if skip over this part if you don't like seeing junk food, but yeah. Alright. Oh my God. I don't know what Spain is up to. Like, if they have, like, secret labs somewhere, like, underground. I don't even know. This could just be a fried egg without the yolk. This thing, this right here, tastes exactly, and I mean it exactly, like a fried egg. And I eat fried eggs all the time. Huh. Listen to this. Ready? This is good. This is good. Not as good as the caramel stuff. I'm gonna give it a 9. 9 out of 10. So the caramel sweets, so on first. Alright, so we're coming on about the last one. It's not the last one, second to last. If you know me in real life, you know that I love Kinder Buenos. This is the Spanish version of a Kinder Bueno. Instead it has peanut butter and cocoa cream in it. So I love peanut butter and cocoa. I'm a big dark chocolate fan, so you cannot look at this and tell me it's not basically a Kinder Bueno. That is really good. What? Very peanut buttery. Look. That's like the peanut butter cocoa cream that I'm talking about. Right there. It's pretty good. You know what? I love peanut butter and cocoa. 9.7. 9.7 out of 10. New first place. Yeah. Final sweets coming up. Alright, this is the final snack and the one I've been staring at this whole time. So good. I love fruit. Three of my favorite fruits. Two of my favorite fruits are peaches and kiwi. And right here, Spain, thank you for making these. Sour gummy kiwi slices. These should be really good. I'm gonna figure out how to open them. Oh, that was easy. Alright. This looks really good. They're like, these two are stuck together. Oh my, look at, I can't because it's getting open. Look at this. Ready? I'm gonna eat it. I'm the sour king, so it's not gonna. They're very hard to chew. Very hard to chew. I would probably rate a minute. I don't even have to think. 10 out of 10. Number one. Best one out of them all. Best one. It's so good. Oh my gosh. We have a serious. Number 1, like and subscribe. Number 2, people in Spain, or if you're going to Spain, eat these Vital gummy sour kiwi slices. Eat these. They're so good. They are delicious. That's it for this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And hit those notification button. Hit that notification button so you can be notified whenever I make a new video. I'm Levi James, also known as Falcon King 27. And I'm out.